Hey folks, it's Lena, your English instructor, and this is a short video showing you how to access Blackboard because you will need to have accessed it and to participate in the first day of classes. And the first day of classes are for my Monday, Wednesday, Friday folks, as well as my Monday, Wednesday folks, is Wednesday, September 2nd, and my Tuesday, Thursday folks, y'all are Thursday, September 3rd. I've uploaded a video of myself introducing you to the class in Blackboard, and I got the dates wrong. So just keep in mind the first day of classes are so Wednesday, September 2nd for Monday, Wednesday, Friday classes, and Thursday, September 3rd for the Tuesday, Thursday folks. So if you've never been on Blackboard, this will show you how to navigate Blackboard and how to get into the folder that you need to be in class on the first day of classes. So you want to search fmcc.edu in the address of your browser. And we have a kind of a slow website, so it takes a couple of seconds to load, a little bit more slowly than what I'm used to. So, and then over here, you'll see on your right-hand side a series of 4 buttons. You want to hit Blackboard. Actually, click on it is probably more appropriate. And then you are going to have a different page than I have. I'm already signed into Blackboard, and so this is why my page is going to look different than yours. If you've never signed into Blackboard, you will be prompted to do so. And the college has sent you your username and an initial password. Your username consists of the initials of your first and last name, and then followed by, I believe, a 5-digit code, 5 numeric code. And the college has also supplied you with an initial password, which is some weird alphanumeric combination. And so once you sign in with that, you should be able to get into Blackboard. And then you can also go ahead and change your password to something that you can remember. If you cannot get into Blackboard, contact the registrar's office immediately. I cannot help you if you cannot get into Blackboard, so contact the the registrar's office. Okay, so on your home page, it might be different from mine, but what you will definitely have is a list of the courses you are enrolled in. I have a ton of courses because I also have previous courses that I've taught, so which are no longer accessible to you, but they are to me, so that's why they're there. And what you want to do is click on your class. Now, I'm using English 103C as the model, as the example here. This also pertains to all the other 103 sections as well as 104. And you click on that, and then I'm going to enter student preview. So this is what you will see when you get into Blackboard. Um, if you click on My Instructor, there will be a video of me introducing you to the course and also to a cute pit bull named Jade. The course syllabus is not linked to Concourse, and I'm not sure why, but that doesn't mean you don't have it. So what you want to do is go down into course menu, click on course content, and if you click in general course documents, there's the syllabus. So you can just click it. It's in Microsoft Word, and there's a pretty picture of summer washing away. And there you have a 7-page syllabus. I know it is huge. So, um, yeah, it's there, but it does contain information that you need. We'll be going over portions of that on the first day of class. But with the 103s, you do not have a textbook, you have an ebook, and I've provided the link in the course content. 104s, you do have a textbook that you actually hold, and I emailed y'all the information on that and how to get it. So, okay, going back to, let's see what else I have in general course documents. I have my virtual office hours, and I'll go over that in more detail on the first day of class and some handouts that are going to be given to you in the beginning portion of the semester, the first half of the semester. But now, if you go back to course content, there is an icebreaker. And I would love it if y'all participated in it. So click on it. And in order to participate in the icebreaker, you have to create a thread. I'm not sure you're going to have a blank screen here because I'm going to be participating in the icebreaker as well. And once somebody has created a thread, break the icebreaker should be visible to all. So click on create thread, and there's the icebreaker there. And I won't bother reading it to you because I know you know how to read. So you do need a subject line, and I am not in a creative mode. I'm in a creative drought actually. So my thrilling subject line is icebreaker. And then you go down into the message box and you answer. You and respond to the questions that I have asked. And I'm just doing gobbledygook as an example. I am going to go back later and actually participate in the icebreaker, so you will actually have something that you might not think is gobbledygook. Hit submit. All right, and there you can see the icebreaker thread has been begun. So now I do want y'all to respond to each other as well. You don't have to respond to everybody because our classes are fairly packed, but do respond because the whole purpose of the icebreaker is get to know one another and to get a conversation going. We are going to be doing a lot of discussion and conversing in the class, and it's a little bit easier if we do have an icebreaker in it. So if you want to respond to somebody, go under thread and click on the hyperlinked title and then click reply. And eventually you'll not have this kind of subject title with array. I will explain more what I expect from y'all for the discussion posts here. And then you respond. And again, I'm typing gobbledygook, hit submit. And there it is. And if you go back to the forum up here, you will see that there have been two posts that are related to me, Lena Anderson. And so you can click on that and follow the conversation, respond to other people's responses, etc. So that is how to navigate the discussion forums here. Click on course content again. Okay, my 103s, there's our link to our ebook. And again, with my 104s, you do have a textbook that I emailed y'all about and is also on your syllabus. So you actually have to go ahead and buy a textbook. Sorry about that, or rent it. All right, so the week beginning August 31st, and I don't expect any of y'all to have been on here as of today, but you need to get going a little bit. So we are going to be having a live class. We're going to meet in Microsoft Teams on the first day of class for everybody at our regularly scheduled time. And each of y'all has a unique link to the class here. And what you want to do is click on this, and what you will be taken to is a Microsoft Teams page. If you don't have it downloaded, then you will have the option of downloading it. It's free for you because you're an FM student. So go ahead and download it, and then you will be brought into the Teams meeting area there. If you've used not Microsoft, but if you've used Zoom or Google Meets or any of those other online platforms, meeting platforms, Microsoft Teams works in the same way there. So, and I'll be going over the sections, the handouts, and everything else that I have in here with y'all on the first day of class. So you can ignore everything but the link to the live class because I would love to see you on the first day of class, and you will be getting information about that. So, one thing that I forgot to show you that I am showing you now is if you go back to your home page, here's a SUNY online student orientation, and yeah, I read that to you. I apologize. But here, if you click on this, if you're not familiar with Blackboard and how it works, this is a tutorial that runs you through the various elements of Blackboard and how to use them. Over here are the various chapters, if you will. So definitely take a look at that. It shows you how to, navigate discussions, assignments, tests, et cetera, et cetera. If you click on Start Here, you're going to be overwhelmed with the information that is down here, and I apologize for that. It's not my doing here, but there are a lot of good links in here as well. So when you have the time, go ahead and take a look at what you have available for you. So because all of these do actually help you navigate and succeed in an online course. And then when you want to go back to your home page in Blackboard, click on the little home here, the little home icon, and wait. Okay, actually it's not doing it for me. Okay, so click back to my FM Blackboard, and that will bring you back to the class. So, um, and I'll hop back into 103C here. Anyway, I hope this was clear to you. I will be emailing you. Actually, by the time this screencast will be in an email with information about the first day of class, etc. So hopefully it is clear. If not, email me back. I also have a text number that I'll include in the email. So if you have any questions or you're having issues, please definitely let me know because you do need to be in class virtually on our first day at our regularly scheduled time. Anyway, like I said, I hope that's clear. If not, let me know, and I will see you all online in a couple of days. Enjoy the rest of your summer. Bye.